Alright, here's a new leak that has everyone buzzing. A video popped up on X, supposedly showing DJI's upcoming Mavic 4 drone being tested, inside DJI's own building. Yep, you heard that right. Shared by leakers Jasper Ellens and Igor Bogdanov, the video appears to have been taken by flying a DJI drone around the building, catching glimpses of what looks like the Mavic 4 and Mavic 4 Pro being tested indoors. And that's where things get interesting. Now, here's the twist. Some people think the whole thing might be staged. The idea of someone randomly flying a drone around buildings, scanning windows for a new drone, feels a bit, let's say, suspicious. Could DJI be leaking its own products just to build some hype? Some in the community think it's a classic controlled leak, a marketing move to drum up interest before the official reveal. But let's talk about what this video supposedly shows. Besides the Mavic 4, Igor Bogdanov believes we are likely looking at multiple DJI gears. He speculates that the lineup might include the DJI Ronin 5D, the Mavic 4, the RS4 Mini, and possibly even an unknown type of drone camera. If that's true, DJI could have some pretty exciting tech in the pipeline. People are split. Some are excited for a possible sneak peek, while others feel this leak is just a bit too perfect. It's not the first time DJI's been suspected of leaking its own products. In the past, we've seen things like product boxes mysteriously appear at Best Buy or crystal clear photos shared from early users in China. So, yeah, it's no wonder people are skeptical this time around. Either way, it's clear that DJI's got everyone's attention. What do you think? Is this an actual leak or just clever marketing? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's hear what side of the fence you're on.